Welcome back. This is Highway Prepper Chick, and as you can see, cameraman is driving. Where are we today, Mr. Cameraman?
Somewhere just outside Rapid City, Iowa.
Rapid City, Iowa. And I am going to get dinner started. Here's what we're going to have. I have this jar of freeze-dried chicken fried rice with carrots, peas, chicken. There's some eggs in there, and I have a bottle of water. This is all I'm gonna need to rehydrate this dinner, and then I'm going to air fry it in our galanz microwave. Now, since we are on the truck, I thought I would show you part of the reason why I freeze dry. So this is the stock fridge that comes with the truck. It is a drawer. It is actually pretty useless. So we keep our condiments and our drinks. And I have some pineapple habanero sauce I am going to actually be adding to the dinner. And this is all the freezer space we have. So we have some tortellini in there, some bacon, and some meatballs in there. So, as you can see, not a lot of space. Now, on our top bunk, we do have a mini fridge that we strapped up there. We got our tote here with our coffee stuff, extra bedding, and we got a couple other totes here. And this is where we keep all of our freeze-dried foods in these big totes back here. Sorry about the movement. We are, going down the road. So in here we have a stew or soup. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. This is a collapsible tote, so we've got more stuff down there. So we make the most out of what we got here on the truck. Back to tonight's dinner. We have the chicken fried rice and the purified water. And what I was showing is we have this sauce here. It is a habanero jalapeno sauce that we used for meatballs. It's amazing, but this is all we have left. I could rehydrate the chicken fried rice with just that sauce, but I don't want it too spicy. So I just want to give it a little bit of that flavor. So I'm going to mostly rehydrate with the water. So I'm just going to add the water. You can see it's actually absorbing rather quickly. There's not much water down in the bottom there. I'm gonna go ahead and add this entire bottle of water here. Gonna add a little bit of this sauce right to the top here. Put the lid back on. and just give this kind of a swirl. The water in there. So remember when I put that water in originally, this liquid was all the way up to the top. Now it's down a bit. So I'm gonna just stick that in the fridge for a couple hours and we'll come back to it. So it has been a couple hours and most of the liquid is used up. I did add just a little bit more liquid into this jar, and I'm wanting to air fry this, so I'm going to use this, and I know it has holes, so I just put a plate in the bottom. So we're going to see how this works. Oh yeah, I think that'll work fine. I gotta get a spoon or something. We are still moving. Cameraman is still driving. So, keeping everything from Fatson, but he'll be stopping in a little bit here. So, everything's nice and swollen, rehydrated. I tried the rice. The rice wasn't crispy or anything. So, and I'll probably do this in a couple batches here. Forgot how much food was in this jar. It's a lot of food for just the two of us. Okay, I think you're going. Walking. Then we have on the microwave. We have the galanz. And it air fries, bakes, roasts. Sorry about the shaky. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop that in and go ahead and air fry. Give it 10 minutes to start. There we go. Take a gander at that when that gets up.
Excuse the background noise. It's our closet. It won't quit vibrating with the truck running.
So cameraman is now done driving, so he can resume his duties as the cameraman. So from the galanz, if you put this on too deep, it fries and crisps the top layer, but the bottom is not getting crispy like we like. So I'm just pulling that top layer off here, and then putting the bottom on. I mean, it's still good. It's just, you know, not fried very well. So, and then I did rehydrate it with a little bit of that pineapple habanero sauce. And we do have some teriyaki sauce here that we can put on as a topper. I'm going to go ahead and stick this back in this layer here. And the nice thing about these is they actually cool down rather quickly. Microwave, not so much. Air fry. We'll let that run. And I'll go ahead and let the cameraman try his dinner. Here. Go.
Have you tried this yet?
Yes.
Oh, well, in that case, it's fantastic.
No, really. Do you like it?
I like it. If you hadn't tried it yet, I was going to say it was absolutely horrible. I'm going to save you. But.
Oh, okay.
It's just good.
Yeah. So it looks like we don't even need that little thing of teriyaki sauce that we have.
No, we'll save it for something else.
All right. Well, there you go, guys. We're just frying up that last little bit. But there is another freeze-dried meal on the truck. This was chicken fried rice that we freeze-dried, and it has turned out amazing. Thanks for watching. Ready? Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more content like this, leave a message in the comments below. If there's something you would like to see us freeze dry and then rehydrate, it might not be on the truck, it might be on the truck, let us know. We'll do the best that we can. Remember, we are on the road 6 weeks out of every 2 months, so we don't have a lot of home time, but we try to get you the content that you love to see. Hit that like button and subscribe.
And it's nice. The veggies still actually have a crunch. The carrots and the peas, even though I thought the peas were broccoli to begin with, so I was picking around them until I realized they were peas. I'm like, peas I can deal with, broccoli, no. And she'll try and do it too. She'll try and sneak that broccoli stuff in here. No.
I would never try to poison you.
Nope. Not today, anyway. Not that you know about.
It doesn't even kind of look like broccoli.
It does when it's like that. That kind of looks like it looks like the stalk of a broccoli stick.
Oh my goodness.
I have to watch.
The cameraman hates his vegetables. Except for carrots, onions, and peas, apparently.
I just don't like broccoli, tomatoes, cauliflower.
Eggplant.
Nobody likes it.